Hello, Rainbow Time fans. I'm Teacher John.
I'm Maya.
And today we are going to make a yummy s'more.
It's rainbow time.
Let's pretend we are camping out and make s'mores. What do we need when making a s'more?
Well, first we need sticks.
筷子，那这个是长的叉子。
What else do we need?
We need red crackers.
Oh.
Yeah, 全麦饼干, or you can take any special cookies you like.
And we need some chocolate.
巧克力. What else do we need?
I'm thinking we need a marshmallow.
Marshmallow. 棉花糖.
And there's one more thing.
Yeah.
You have to melt the marshmallows with a stove.
Stove. This is important. 因为我们需要炉子来怎么样烤棉花糖。
We're ready.
We're ready. Let's start.
First, you take the marshmallow and you put it on the stick.
Right.
Like this.
No, silly John.
Don't bonk me on the head.
No, it's wrong. It's wrong end.
Oh, no. Next, light the fire. Ta-da! Then, toast the marshmallow near the fire.
然后把棉花糖拿到火炉旁边烤。
Here we go. But don't get too close or you'll burn it.
小心不要太靠近哦，可能会烧起来。
I'm gonna slowly move the marshmallow back and forth. Oh,
Oh, a little bit.
be careful. You want to get the marshmallow nice and brown and mushy. Uh-oh. Be careful not to burn it. And when camping out, this is fun to do. It helps keep you warm.
Okay.
Our marshmallows are ready. Then you take the toasted marshmallow and put it on the cracker and chocolate, like this. And smush it down, like that. Put the top on, smush it down,
把它这样子压下去。
and take a bite. That's a good s'more. Well, Maya, I enjoyed making a s'more with you.
Yeah, me too. I have so much fun.
Hey kids, do you want to come camping and make a s'more with us?
小朋友，你们想跟我们一起去露营，然后做 s'more 吗？
If you do, leave a message below.
如果你想要的话，在下面留言告诉我们哦，就有机会获得免费的杂志。
Okay, kids, we'll see you next time.
See you.
Bye bye, guys.
拜拜。